This spot right here is historical. What happened, Bob? Something really magical happened there? No, not really. Not that great. Hi.
I love your name, Boogie Bob.
Oh, I love you.
Boogie Bob, Boogie Bob. He's out there filming in the mob. Boogie Bob, Boogie Bob. Go to YouTube and turn the knob.
Coolio with the flow, represent Boogie Bob. We in Harlem. Don't get robbed.
I'll see you again, I promise.
All right, Boogie Bob.
That's
Brother,
Boogie
I love you
Bob.
forever. Thank you so much. Hi, hon, I love you. I want to marry you. I'm not joking. I'm not joking, girlfriend. Thank you. I love you, Pam. What's poppin'?
I ain't gonna lie, this kid is dope.
Welcome to the Boogie Bob Experience.
I'm your favorite YouTuber.
Oh, we gonna have some fun. This is the spot of the very last phone booth in New York City. That's facts. It's right here on 7th Avenue and 50th Street. Kitty corner from Applebee's. I was here the day they took it away. There are no more phone booths in New York City. And if you're like me and you were spending every dime to keep you talking on the line, that's how it was. You used to drop a dime in the phone and then it went to quarters and you could talk to your boo. There ain't no cell phones. You don't want to talk at your house phone because your mom's like, what are you doing? You're out here talking on a payphone to your loved ones. Payphones are now extinct in New York City.
As public payphone yanked from the ground at the corner of 49th Street and 7th Avenue.
And what a beautiful day to be here to celebrate the end of what used to be the primary lifeline service for many New Yorkers.
In a world where cell phones own our eyes and ears, it's kind of inevitable.
Now everybody's on their cell phones and we hear their whole personal life.
But Lynn Winterbaum remembers the time she found 38 grand stuffed in an envelope in a phone booth back in the 60s. Try that with the latest smartphone.
I was a little scared till I pick it up. I did, but I ended up bringing it into the Bloomingdale Security Department across the street. And that was it. That was the end of that.
This ceremony ends a several-year process to remove the phones. They started to remove them back in 2015, and now we move to Wi-Fi. The CityLink kiosks, the future. Free power, internet, and calls, expanding service across the 5 boroughs. The last 6,000 public pay phones removed in recent years, a memory for some.
We used to press 0 and then call the operator and say we lost a quarter and then got them to call our parents.
And for 14-year-old Bria, not even a memory at all. Have you ever used a public pay phone in your life?
No.
Not at all. Do you know what they are?
I think so.
A nod to nostalgia, now officially disconnected.
So instead of payphones now, they have, there's always some guy on it. He's actually on this one. But they have these now. This is the new payphone in New York City. It's free. He's got his phone plugged into it now. You can plug, his friend has his plugged into it as well. It's free. I'll take you to the next one down the street because they over there, they're gonna be on it all day. Well, how do they have a free phone in New York? Well, they have free phones in New York because the advertisements on the side pay for it. That's how they do it. Here's another one. Let me see if I can get this guy, sorry, to move. Hey, brother, can I use this phone? Oh, you on it? Okay, I'm just doing a video. So, guys, this is what the new pay phones look like. You can charge your phone like he's doing here. It's an interactive screen, so if you needed to use it, you could dial 911. You get your audio here, and again, he's plugged in right now. I'll come back, but you just tap the screen. It's going to let you go on eBay and do your things, and you go to your home, and you pick your language, and you make your phone calls here. Again, they're very popular. There's always some guy standing by there charging his damn phone. The homeless will usually sleep next to it with their phone plugged in. And then because it's free, they run ads on the side of it, and that's what pays for them to have Wi-Fi and all that other stuff. So if you're in New York City You ain't dropping no coins because it's absolutely free. It is a touchscreen. It's actually paid for by the advertisements they put on the sides. It's from Link NYC. It is free Wi-Fi. Now, almost always there's a homeless guy with his phone plugged in here. You have a USB port here. You have power here, so you charge your phone on there. They'll usually sit or sleep right here. So these are very rare to get your hands on because there's somebody always on it. Now, here's how it works. You see the screen. You go to the home button. Tap to begin. Welcome. And English. That's what I speak. I don't know any other languages. I'm gonna learn some. Make free calls. Find your way. You want sushi? Hit here and say, I want the Google Maps. Find a restroom. Find coffee. I want to go back. Make free phone calls. Your weather: 79 degrees with a chance of rain later on tonight after 8 p.m. Free Wi-Fi. You got free Wi-Fi, folks. Find resources. Accessibility and nearby transit. I need to find a train. I would go there. They're gonna ask you what train you going to. Here's the trains, blah blah blah. I don't care, so I'm not doing those. I'm gonna go back. Make a 911 call. Just hit one button. Boop. I'm not doing that. You want to call your friends? Watch this. Hold on. Let's see what happened. It's ringing. Now, I don't know what it says on her caller ID, so she's probably not going to pick up. She ain't picking up. She ain't picking up for no strangers. You get the idea.
Hey, how are you?
Make a phone call here. Boop, 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 boop. Hang out here if you like. Got your speaker there. Heineken is paying for me to use that right now. That's how they pay for it, folks. You don't pay a nickel. Payphones are gone. The last one was right down the street. No more payphones. The end of an era. You think of all the beautiful ladies I called over the years on phones. Guys, whenever I find shoes on the ground like this, I put them right here. These are Nikes. Somebody who's homeless or somebody who doesn't have a good pair of shoes will come by and throw these bitches on and they good to go. Don't throw your shoes in the garbage. Somebody can use them.